In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a color correction inside of Avid Media Composer first. So, once you have your video imported into your timeline, the first thing you want to do, go across to your bin and click the little icon next to your settings button. Now make sure you have the filters option selected and click the color option. Next, drag the color effect icon onto your video timeline. Next, scroll down until you see the color gain option. Here you can adjust the color of your video. At the top, you can also adjust the brightness and contrast of your video. And there you guys have it. That's how you do a color correction inside of Avid Media Composer first.